Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by loosening the bond. Heat a 2-inch test patch with hot water mixed one with white vinegar, and let it sit 5–10 minutes. Use a spray bottle and saturate the glue, not the floor seams, to avoid swelling. Once done, scrape gently at the softened edge with a plastic putty knife, angling 30 degrees. You want the glue to pull away in strips. If it resists, reapply solution and wait another 5 minutes. Now you expand to systematic removal. Work a 2–3 foot section at a time, rewetting the glue and scraping with a plastic putty knife to avoid marring. Once most glue is lifted, use a nylon scrub pad with warm soapy water to remove the film. Scrub with the grain of wood or a long tile grout. If residue remains, apply a small amount of citrus-based adhesive remover, wait the product's recommended time, then scrub and scrape again until the surface is clean. Finish by rinsing the floor with clean water and mopping up all residue, then dry thoroughly with towels and fans to prevent swelling. For thin remaining patches, lightly sand with 120–150 grit by hand, then vacuum and tack with a damp cloth. Make sure to inspect seams and edges for trapped adhesive. If something goes wrong, stubborn spots, or finish damage, stop, test a different solvent on an inconspicuous area, and
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.